Greetings and welcome to this week's edition of Smart Counsel for Lunch. I'm Suzanne Sayward, a partner at the Dedham, Massachusetts law firm of Samuel, Sayward, and Baylor, where we concentrate our practice in the areas of estate planning, elder law, estate and trust administration, and probate. Well, here we are deep in the heart of April. So what better time to talk about taxes? In particular, the types of tax returns that may need to be filed after someone passes away. In the article accompanying today's video, I talk about these types of income tax returns and estate tax returns that someone who is serving as the personal representative of an estate or the trustee of a trust for someone who has passed away may be responsible for filing. If you're serving in these roles, it's very important that you understand those obligations, as failure to file those returns timely may result in personal liability for you as the personal representative or trustee. So the most basic type of income tax return that usually needs to be filed after someone passes away is the individual's final personal income tax return. Most people are familiar with income tax returns, Form 1040, and here in Massachusetts, a Form 1. There are some additional considerations to go over when you're filing for someone who has passed away, and we talk about that a little bit in the accompanying article. If someone leaves a probate estate, that is, they had assets in their individual name, or a trust that was funded with investment accounts or bank accounts or rental property, which may produce income, then the personal representative or trustee may also be required to file an income tax return for the estate or trust reporting that income. This is known as a fiduciary income tax return, and federally, it's a Form 1041. Here in Massachusetts, it's a Form 2. And lastly, for estates that exceed the Massachusetts threshold for filing an estate tax return, which is now $2 million, an estate tax return, not to be confused with an estate income tax return, may need to be filed as well. An estate tax return for federal purposes is a Form 706, and in Massachusetts, that's a Form M706. That return is due 9 months from the date of death. If you have questions about your filing obligations that we can help you with, please don't hesitate to be in touch. Your CPA or accountant who is helping you file taxes is also an excellent source for these questions. As always, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Please remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you back here in this space next week.